In this video, we'll run Multi-Component FOTA and find where the updatable firmware components can be updated. For NRF9160 based targets, so for the NRF9160DK and Thingy91, it is possible to enable Advanced Firmware Update Object as an alternative to Firmware Update Object, which allows for upgrading both application firmware and modem firmware over LWM2M. Application instance of the object is used to update the application firmware, while modem instance accepts modem firmware delta patches or full modem firmware update. So, what's the difference between these two update options for modem? A delta update is an update that requires downloading only the parts of the modem firmware that have changed, instead of downloading the whole firmware. Such updates can save significant amounts of time and bandwidth. Full modem firmware update is the only operation that can be performed when the library is initialized in bootloader mode. In the video, we'll use delta update. So let's start with compiling device with proper configuration by writing the build command. Next, flash the board by west-flash command. After this, go to the Data Module tab in the Device Center, refresh, and see that the Advanced Firmware Update object, so the object 33629, is defined. In Coiote, you can see that this object is called Multi-Component Firmware Object. So now we can start the update process. Go to the Firmware Update tab, click the Update Firmware button, and choose the Multi-Component option. Choose the update's name and click Next to select components you want to update. I choose the application, and by adding a new component, I'm choosing also the modem. Upload proper firmware files. The application firmware file, so the app update.bin file, you can find in the Anjay LwM2M Client build/Zephyr directory. The modem firmware file you can find on the Nordic page. Click Next and choose Image Delivery Method option as it was in the single photo update. I will choose Pull method. Click Next and schedule the update. Similar to the firmware update object, the advanced firmware update process started running through these 4 steps, starting with preparing the update, initializing, and setting the observations. As you can see, our process is in progress. So let's wait some time to finish the process. Now we can see that the firmware update is uploaded successfully. Everything seems to work again with the new firmware, which you can also see in Coiote. Go back to the Multi-Component Firmware Update object in the Data Module tab, and let's find out if the state is changed in every component. We've got the state changed to 0, which means for us right now that is after the update, and we've got the update result changed to 1, which means that the firmware was updated successfully. And that's all for the Multi-Component FOTA update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.